Welcome to Grammar with Altaf. Today we'll learn the difference between present and past tense in clear, simple steps. By the end, you'll know when to talk about now, habits, and general truths, and when to talk about actions that happened before now, with easy examples and quick tips.
Exactly. We'll compare present and past forms, look at signal words, and practice with short lines you can use every day. Think of time as a line. The present is now and habits around now, while the past is any finished time before now. Yesterday, last night, 2 years ago.
Let's start with the present simple. We use it for habits, routines, and facts. I wake up at 6. Water boils at 100 degrees. She plays chess. Notice the third person, S. He, she, it plays. Negative is do not, does not. I don't wake up at 6. She doesn't play. Questions use do, does.
Now, the past simple. We use it for finished actions at a finished time. I woke up at 6 yesterday. She played chess last night. Regular verbs add ed, watch, watched. Irregular verbs change forms. Go, went, eat, ate. Negative is did not plus base verb. She didn't play. Questions use did.
Present continuous talks about actions happening now or around now. I am studying. She is cooking. It also describes temporary situations. I'm living with my cousin this month. We often use now, right now, at the moment. It shows activity in progress, not a finished event.
Past continuous talks about actions that were in progress at a time in the past. I was studying at 8 p.m. They were cooking when I arrived. It's great for background scenes. One longer action in progress, then a shorter action interrupts. I was sleeping when the phone rang. The short action usually uses past simple.
Present perfect connects the past to the present result. Use have, has, plus past participle. I have finished my homework, meaning the homework is done now. Use it for life experience without a finished time. She has visited Turkey, or for recent news and results. He has broken his arm.
Compare present perfect with past simple. If the time is finished, use past simple. She went to Turkey last year. If the time is not stated or still open, use present perfect. She has been to Turkey. Signal words help. Present perfect uses ever, never, just, already, yet, since, for. Past simple uses yesterday, last week, in 2020, ago.
Past perfect shows a past before the past. Had plus past participle. Example, when I arrived, the movie had started. Both times are in the past, but the start of the movie is earlier. It helps tell stories clearly and avoid confusion when ordering events.
Common signal words. Present simple. Always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day, on Mondays. Past simple. Yesterday, last night, 2 days ago, in July, in 2019. Present continuous. Now, right now, at the moment, currently. Past continuous, while, when plus, past simple. Present perfect, ever, never, just, already, yet, since, for.
Frequent mistakes to avoid. Do not use present simple with finished past time words. Not, I go to Lahore yesterday. But I went to Lahore yesterday. Do not use did plus past verb. Not did went, but did go. And remember third person S in present simple. She works, not she work.
Spelling tips for past simple regular verbs. Add, eed, play, played. If a verb ends in E, add D, live, lived. If it ends with a consonant plus Y, change Y to I and add eed, study, studied. For short vowel plus consonant, double the consonant, stop, stopped. Learn irregulars as small groups. Go, went, gone, see, saw, seen.
Mini scene, present versus past. I usually take the bus, but today I am walking. That shows habit versus temporary action now. Another, I watched the match last night. The crowd was cheering when the team scored. Past simple for the main event. Past continuous for the background noise.
Try a quick transform. Present to past. I eat breakfast at 7. Past. I ate breakfast at 7 yesterday. She is reading now. Past. She was reading at 9 p.m. They have finished the report. Past with a finish time. They finished the report on Monday.
Short quiz. 1. Choose I go to the market yesterday. 2. She study English every day. 3. He break his phone so he can't call now. 4. We watch TV when the lights went out. 5. They visit Karachi in 2022.
Answers. 1. Went, past simple with yesterday. 2. Studies, present simple habit, third person S. 3. Has broken, present perfect, result affects now. 4. Were watching, past continuous background, and went out, past simple interruption. 5. Visited, past simple with a finished time, 2022.
So, what have we learned today? We learned that present tense describes habits, facts, and actions happening now, while past tense describes finished times before now. We used present simple for routines, present continuous for actions in progress, and present perfect for past actions with results now.
And we learn to use past simple for completed actions at a finished time, past continuous for background actions in the past, and past perfect for an earlier past action. We also saw signal words, spelling tips, and common mistakes. With these tools, you can choose the right tense with confidence.